Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing different bubble nail designs. So the first one I'm going to start with is the bubble nail design where you kind of inject air into it. I bought these little syringe cannula things from Amazon and I'm hoping that this works out. The tutorial I watched that I'm going to be following is from a channel called Mary Nail. So to get started, I'm going to paint the nail tip with this jelly blue. I don't really have jelly colors. I thought I bought a whole bunch from AliExpress, but I couldn't find them, and all I could find was this one. Next, I'm gonna go over it with some builder gel. So builder gel wasn't working out very well for me. I tried 2 times with builder gel, I tried 1 time with poly gel, and it wasn't working. So I eventually found the solution. I'll put the timestamp up if you want to get to that part, but I think it's in a couple of seconds anyway, but I'll show you how I got it to work. So I think the issue I was having with the builder gel was that I wasn't curing it long enough. I felt like both times I tried it, the builder gel was a bit too wet and it couldn't create the bubbles. So I got these from Amazon. I believe it was like $4.99 for a pack of 4. So I cut the syringe so that it's not so pointy. You can't really see it very much, but hopefully it works like this. I'm also going to switch to bubblegum gel. No, not bubblegum gel, but cooking gel from Nail Couture. I tested it out with this and I was able to get bigger bubbles. Funny enough, when we're doing nails, we do everything we can to eliminate bubbles, but as I see the bubbles forming, I'm like, yes, I really do want the smaller ones, because I'm going to create bigger bubbles using the syringe. So I like that bubbles are forming for once. So these are the bubbles that I was able to achieve. It was kind of hard to do it because when I flash cured it, this part was pretty much fully cured. So the only way I could get the syringe in was from like a little opening here. So that is what I made. I think off camera I'm going to do more of these so that I could get better bubbles, because they're just kind of randomly placed throughout, which is a good thing because when you look at bubbles, they're not really uniform. However, I did want some sort of pattern. I did want bigger ones, smaller ones, etc. But I am happy that it did work out. I just wish they looked a little bit better. Next, I'm going to do a matte water drop look. I'm not quite sure what color I want to go for, so I'm going to pick it off camera, then I'll be back. I'm going to use some of that cooking gel to create my bubbles. Well, for this one, I don't think it's necessarily bubbles. What I'm going for is like water drops. Next, I'm gonna do a design similar to the one I just did, but I'm gonna try it with chrome powder, but I'm gonna have like water drops kind of forming at the cuticle area. The next design I'm going to do is a French tip design. I'm going to have the tips as a clear jelly color, and I'm going to be using Madame Glam's Love Energy for the nail bed area. I'm going to be using this jelly polish that I got from AliExpress. I got this years ago, so I'm not quite sure if they still sell it. But I'm going to actually mix a little bit of top coat in there because this is a pretty thick jelly polish. It's not too see-through, so I'm just going to add some of that to make it a bit clearer. I'm actually going to paint the underside of the nail with the green because I messed up. I was actually supposed to put the green on before I put the pink. So I added a little bit of cooking gel and I'm just going to create little droplets on the inside. The next design I'm going to do is the bubble design using actual bubbles. I'm a bit iffy about this one because I have that weird hole phobia and it kind of gets me sometimes. So if mine turns out a bit too hole phobic, I'm just going to scrap it and I'm going to throw it away. But hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I applied 2 coats of the electric yellow. So the way to do this design is once you have that 1 coat of polish on, you don't cure it. Then what you do is you dip it into the bubbles Once you've got the bubbles on top of the nail, you'll then cure it. I think I'm actually gonna take this to the bathroom to rinse it off because it's really spiky. But this is kind of giving me some sort of animal print. I'm gonna add a little bit of mermaid powder to it. So this is how it's looking. Let me know what you guys think. I really do like this bubble trend. I will say that this one was super hard to do. I did actually do it 2 times after, and I'm going to show you what I ended up with. But my favorite one on this nail stand is probably this one or this one. I wish I would have did a darker nail bed color for this, but either way I do like these. So these are my other attempts. I just did these 2. This was the last one I did, and I did film this, so I'm going to put a short video out on it. This one is my favorite. How I did this was I painted it white, then I put some iridescent chrome powder on there, then I applied the stickers, then I applied the cooking gel, and then I just kind of put the syringe in there and made bubbles. I do prefer this method with cooking gel. I didn't really have too much luck with builder gel, but these are all the nails that I worked on for this trend. Let me know which one is your favorite one. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.